Ever feel like you're auditioning for a role as a professional luggage wrestler every time you travel? You know the feeling, the awkward shuffle sideways through the airport, that moment of panic when you realize your bag outweighs a small elephant? Or maybe you've secretly wished your suitcase had its own gravitational pull just to make it through security without setting off every alarm. Well, my friend, if your luggage has ever threatened to secede and form its own tiny overstuffed nation, you've come to the right place. Today we're ditching the drama and embracing the art of carry-on like a boss. Mind blown already? Hit subscribe. Alright, let's break down this packing puzzle. Think of your suitcase not as a bottomless void, but as prime real estate Manhattan penthouse level prime. Every item needs to earn its spot. No freeloaders allowed. This isn't your grandma's attic. We're talking strategic placement, maximum efficiency. Packing light is like playing Tetris, but instead of falling blocks, you've got your favorite outfits. The goal? No gaps. We're talking strategic rolling goodbye wrinkles. Clever folding techniques that would make origami masters jealous and making sure every single inch of that suitcase is utilized. Forget just throwing things in. We're not animals here, people. We're architects of organization. We're building a masterpiece of efficiency, one perfectly packed item at a time. Imagine your clothes are a superhero team. You don't need 50 Batman wannabes, you need a versatile squad. We're aiming for a capsule wardrobe where pieces mix and match like they were destined to be together. Think a trusty pair of jeans that can go from daytime exploring, dodging pigeons in the park, to evening chic with a simple top swap. Bam! Instant outfit change, and you didn't even need a phone booth. That's the power of a well-curated carry-on. Now I know what you're thinking. Gates, you're speaking a language I don't understand. Capsule wardrobe? What am I, a fashion blogger? Listen, I get it. I'm all about practicality. But trust me, once you experience the freedom of a perfectly packed carry-on, you'll never go back. You'll be breezing past those baggage carousels while everyone else is still praying their luggage didn't end up in a different time zone. First up, the ultimate showdown. Choosing your weapon. I mean, your bag. We're talking about the foundation of your packing empire. The trusty sidekick that's going to accompany you on all your adventures. Let's meet the contenders, shall we? In this corner we have the checked bag. The comfy couch of luggage, tempting but often leads to overpacking and those dreaded baggage claim waits. It's like that friend who always shows up late with too much baggage, emotional and literal. We're sidelining this guy for today. And in the other corner, our reigning champion, the carry-on, our MVP, sleek, efficient, and your ticket to freedom. But not all carry-ons are created equal. Look for one that opens flat like a book. It's a game changer for visibility and organization. No more digging through a black hole trying to find that one sock. And if you're hitting up Europe, make sure it meets those sometimes finicky size requirements. Nobody wants a surprise gate check situation. That's like showing up to a party and realizing you're not on the list. Awkward. But wait, there's more. Don't forget about the personal item, your trusty sidekick. Backpacks are your friends here, people. Save your shoulders, look cool, and have easy access to your essentials. Now for the magic tricks, the packing hacks that'll change your life. Rolling versus folding, the eternal debate. I'm team roll for most things. It saves space and minimizes wrinkles. Think of your clothes as tiny burritos of potential, delicious and compact. Packing cubes, your new best friends. These little fabric rectangles are lifesavers. They compress, organize, and prevent your suitcase from becoming a chaotic vortex. The shoe situation shoes are the space hogs. Wear your bulkiest pair on the plane. For the rest, choose versatile options that can be dressed up or down. My holy trinity: comfy sneakers, stylish flats, and maybe, just maybe, a packable pair of heels for emergencies or spontaneous dance-offs. Chapter 3. Packing Personas, Pro Tips for Every Traveler. Alright, let's get specific. Frequent flyer pro tip: invest in a lightweight, durable carry-on. Those overhead bin battles are real. It's a jungle up there, people. And master the art of the quick security scan liquids in a clear bag, electronics easily accessible. You're practically a travel ninja at this point. Anxious packer alert. It's okay to want to be prepared, but instead of packing for every conceivable apocalypse, focus on versatile layers. A stylish scarf can be a blanket on the plane, an accessory for dinner, or even a makeshift face mask in a pinch. We've all been there. Family fun fact: packing cubes are your superpower. Assign each family member a color, no more suitcase chaos, and utilize those little nooks and crannies in strollers and car seats for extra storage. Just don't forget where you put the snacks. Remember, packing light isn't about deprivation. It's about liberation. It's about being present in the moment, not worrying about your luggage or what outfit to wear next. It's about embracing the unexpected and saying yes to adventure, knowing you have everything you need right there on your back. Alright, let's recap the carry-on commandments. 1. Choose your bag wisely. Think function and form. 2. Embrace the power of the roll and the magic of packing cubes. And 3. Versatility is your new best friend. Mix and match like a fashion pro. You are now officially equipped to conquer the world, or at least your next vacation, with nothing but a carry-on and a winning attitude. Go forth and explore, my friends. If you found this video helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your overpacking-prone pals. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips, tricks, and tales from the road. Check out my other videos right here for more travel inspiration. Now go pack that bag lightly and have an amazing adventure. See you in the next video.